So, giant teddy bear, we got the GoPro in here in this mysterious black bag. I should also say, you guys don't know, I don't know how to work a camera that doesn't have a screen where I can see myself. This feels weird. Thank you. Got everything in here. We're going to Cedar Point. Whoosh. Hey, King.
Yeah.
As I know you, Mr. McCamanVR, how are you doing?
How's it going, guys?
How's it going? So where are we?
Currently we're at McDonald's for our first pit stop, and we are heading towards the park. But, you know, some of us are a little tired, some of us are a little dehydrated, so...
Some of us are a little tired. So we just got our McDonald's finished and everything. Got a water, got a chocolate milk in my belly. Fun fact about me, I get really sick with like high action rides. Like roller coasters are not my friend. So today I've taken 2 Dramamine that reduces motion sickness. We're still on the way to the park right now, so hopefully it goes good. I hope it goes good. Hopefully it goes good. Yeah.
If you want my honest opinion, or you want me to just say yes so you feel better?
It's so windy. I can't see. I should have gotten a haircut. This is your first view of my big ass forehead.
But there it is.
This is Cedar Point.
Amazing, isn't it?
Okay, fucking line.
So we're currently in line for rentals. Yeah, thank you. We're currently in line for rentals, and
here.
And Blue, how do you actually feel about being in
Slide in the frame. Honestly, not that bad. 2 Dramamine. I felt it hit my stomach. I gotta pee really bad.
Well, we can fix that.
It's already being fixed.
Oh no.
Anyways, that looks bigger. That looks bigger. That is bigger, definitely. I'm still short Blue. Yes, I said it, I'm short.
First one up is probably max air for him.
We're gonna start with the kiddie ride.
BluDoes short.
BluDoes short. Yes.
Well, we'll see you guys at the ride. So currently we're at the gift shop, Point Plaza.
This is not the gift shop.
Kind of like the entrance merch store or whatever. And there is a growing conflict between these two. Blue wants to take a pee, but Xavier has no bladder, so neither does Blue.
Problem. Half an hour wait time for your esteemed bathroom.
To take a leak.
There's better bathrooms in the back.
Okay, we shall go to the back.
Oh, I'm afraid of how this is gonna go.
So, update time. It is... I'm illiterate. What time is it?
Let me see. 12:23.
It is 12:23. We just had food right over there.
A buffet.
At a buffet.
So, that only happens once a year, so we got damn lucky.
What do we do? So,
Last update.
Xavier and I, we went to the back of the park, right?
Yeah, we went to the back.
We were arguing back and forth.
Like
of
usual.
Like how I didn't want to throw up. So we rid on one of the warm-up coasters that I found intriguing. I genuinely wanted to ride it.
Let's go this way for Blue Street.
So I rode it, and I didn't throw up.
Hey!
Yeah. So yeah. And oh wow, look at those clouds.
Clouds coming in.
I think it might rain. I don't know about. I think it might rain. I don't know about you guys.
It's gonna be arcade time soon.
Arcade time soon. We'll get you guys some footage of that. Ready to call out. Okay, so we just rode Rougarou and I screamed my god dang
We did that.
heart out. Woo! I just did that. Ah!
You did it.
I just talked myself into it. I am the biggest pussy these two know.
Alright, time for
No, I need a drink.
Well, you get a train. So, I don't know if this GoPro is recording audio, but
It is.
you're not gonna believe this.
Hang on.
So,
So how was it?
you wanna know something?
Yeah.
Okay, so for people who are watching this, Cedar Point does not allow onboard recording.
Okay, so what did we do?
They
Even
were on
with-
us the entire time.
Okay.
Even with a press pass, you're not allowed to record on the rides.
No.
Well, it still looks like a recording.
Oh, I had this recording after just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case there were like something, I don't know.
Okay. But did you record on there?
No.
I didn't record
didn't
any, I
get
couldn't.
Oh man. So did they yelled at you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
The dude seriously said, that better not be recording.
That better not be filming on the ride.
Because there's no onboard recording in this park.
In this park?
Yeah, nobody's allowed to record anything on the rides.
That sucks.
Yep.
Yeah, dude. It's literally the most janky shit I've ever heard. It's like they're hiding something.
We're not.
Honestly, maybe.
Maybe.
Well, if you're still watching this, holy shit, look at those clouds.
We need to
Anyway,
get up to the arcade. We need to get up to the arcade.
we're gonna go to the arcade. We're gonna go ahead and skip the POV on the mine ride. Even though I really like that roller coaster, we can't get a fucking POV.
If anything, we could have done illegal recording, but on posting this video, if somebody found a legal recording of kids in Cedar Point, we could get sued.
That's very true. And I don't think we have the money to get sued, do we?
No, we don't.
Exactly.
Especially since suing for a certain crime has no payout limit.
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah. They could sue us for God, my hair. They could sue us for $1 billion.
All right, let's go into the train.
Oh, are we going to the train?
Yeah.
And you know what even does suck even more?
What's that?
They're suing you for a certain reward. If you win, you don't get anything.
What the fuck?
Yeah. You don't get the $1 million that they try to sue you for. You just get nothing. You just get the freedom.
And bills.
Bills?
Yeah, and Bills.
Anyways, we'll update you guys when something cool happens. Something cool actually did happen. Well, not really cool, but this is where this little GoPro comes in handy. Amazing! Austin!
Oh, we should.
This is the first time we have GoPro in the wet. Run, fast. Use it. Thank you, GoPro, for being here. Whoa! Underneath here. Overlap. Inside. Downey, inside. Oh, thank you, GoPro.
Hey, GoPro.
Let's go! Yeah! We got the footage in here! Go! Faster! Tell me where! Overhead! Holy crap! We're fat. We gotta find Austin. GoPro. Here. Go. Put the big camera in. YouTube, we're not safe anymore.
YouTube.
Hey, the rain's coming in towards us. We gotta go. Right now.
Yeah, we gotta go. We
3.
can't let the camera get wet. Let's go.
3,
Ready?
2, 1, go! Go!
Don't run, make it work.
Oh, I got this! Oh. Oh. Come on, almost there. Hey guys, so sorry to say this, but this arcade part of the video got corrupted by the rain. It sucks to say it, but when we were running through the rain, some water got into this bottom compartment of this camera we were recording with, and I don't know how it happened. I genuinely wish I could recover the footage, but it's just not there. Like, it just somehow got deleted. So anyways, that's why we just cut the arcade portion. There's just no footage to put in there. So, on to an outro. Well, we didn't get any ride footage. That fucking sucks.
But we have merch.
can
Not our merch, but we have Cedar Point's merch for Sockers. But you guys should go check out our merch.
Indeed, you should go check out our merch.
I have no merch at all.
We
so
can
check
fix
out
that.
these guys' merch.
Thank you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this. Thank you to the sponsor, XavierkVR. Subscribe.
Okay. Banana phone.